Okay, YouTube, I was bored, so I made this in about 30 minutes or so. But, it's a pretty cool little skate park. Here, just let me show you the basics. It's got kind of a half pipe, and then you can, do tricks. Or if you want it to be a half pipe, you just have to put this up, like this. And sorry, I'm still working out the kinks on this, but you see, here, try this one. Okay. You can go up and then go, and then you can pop a trick, but right now I mainly like doing this. It's pretty fun for me at least. See, you drop in and then go across and then just do a trick. I don't know if I showed you, but my girl won, Guy Moreno, and I got some pretty cool wheels on it. They're like Santa Cruz or something. But I'm still trying to nail this one. That was kind of a mess up. I'm trying to nail this. Yeah, if you guys didn't see that, it went like this, except without my fingers. And I tried to land it, but I messed up. That's what I'm trying to do right now. That one was pretty cool. It did this, that one, without my fingers. So you guys can see I'm still amateur tech deck, but you gotta admit, it's my first time making a course. If you guys think it's cool, leave a comment below, and you guys should try the new amp.